In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails with ManyChat. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is set up a trigger in ManyChat. This is essential because it determines how your automation will begin. You could set it up to trigger when a user comments on a post or a reel on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Once that's done, log into your ManyChat account and connect your Instagram or Facebook business page. This is a key step, as it enables ManyChat to interact with your audience on these platforms seamlessly. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up easily on the ManyChat website. Once you're logged in and your page is connected, you'll want to navigate to the Automation section of ManyChat. Here, you'll click on Plus New Automation to create a new automation workflow. This is where you will define how the automation will respond to user interactions. As mentioned earlier, one option is to use comments on your posts as a trigger. Next, you'll specify a keyword that users need to type in their comments to initiate this automation. For example, you could use something like guide or ebook. This keyword acts as a signal to ManyChat to start sending out the automated messages that you've set up. Once you've got that trigger down, it's time to move on to the next step, sending the initial message and opting in your users. This is where you'll create the first automatic direct message response that gets sent whenever someone triggers that keyword. Start by including a friendly greeting in this message, and then follow up by offering the promised freebie, the reason why many users commented in the first place. It's also crucial to add a button or a quick reply asking if they want the freebie. By doing this, you are making sure that you get explicit consent from users before sending any further messages. Now let's discuss the next step, adding a data collection block. In your ManyChat Flow Builder, you can easily add this block. This is where you'll specifically ask users for their email addresses. When creating this data collection block, you need to set the input type to email. This is important because it helps ManyChat validate the response and correctly log it into the appropriate system field. As a best practice, also include a brief privacy disclaimer in this block. This way, users are made aware that by providing their email, they agree to receive future emails from you. After you've set up the email collection block, it's time to deliver the freebie. In your ManyChat flow, set the next message to deliver your lead magnet link right after ManyChat captures a valid email address. This will make sure that users get the content they were promised right away. Finally, don't forget to sync your data. You'll want to connect ManyChat to your email service provider, whether it's MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or something similar. Just head over to Settings, then Integrations, and connect your accounts. If you need further automation, you can also use a tool like Zapier. This will allow you to automatically push captured messages into your main CRM or email subscriber list. So that's a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to collect emails using ManyChat. It's all about creating engaging interactions and ensuring smooth data collection to aid in your marketing efforts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy email collecting.